So you're making a mess. Did you take a bath? Yes, you did. Did you, Cody, take a bath? Yes, you did. Birdie, did you take a bath? Yes, you did. You're all wet. Huh? Everybody took a bath? You're all wet chickens. Come on. Up. Good girl. Hi, Cody. You're wet? Did you have a bath? Hi, Cody. Ruby Sue. Ruby Sue. Come here, Cody. Birdie, come here. Up. Come on. Birdie, you don't want to come out? She's yelling at me. Come here, Birdie. Ruby, what are you doing? Ruby, what are you doing? Birdie. Hi, Birdie. Say hi, everybody. Hi, pretty girl. Do you want me to go in there with you? Hold on, Cody. Here I come. Great. Everything's wet. Hi, Birdie. What? Ruby, you don't want me in here? Birdie, you want to say hi to everybody? Birdie. Pretty girl. Hey, Cody girl. Go, Cody. Go. Oh, you're really still molting, huh? Look at you.